Hello, this is Tutor Nick. Welcome to video 7 in my series on the English language. In this video, we are going to look at some words using the letters that we have learned. When we learnt the alphabet, each letter had a name which you learned to pronounce. So A, B, C, D, and so on. When we put them into words, some of these sounds change, and you will see this as we go along. You will get used to this in time. I will try and make this easy for you, and I hope you enjoy it. Let's go to the desk.
Ant, ant. Ant. Bin, bin. Bin. Cat. Cat. Dog. Dog. Ear. Ear. Fan. Fan. Gate. Gate. Hat. Hat. Ice. Ice. Jug. Jug. Key. Lip. Man. Ant. Bin. Cat. Dog. Ear. Fan. Gate. hat, ice, jug, key, lip, man.
Well done! In the next video, we will learn the next 13 words that begin with the second 13 letters of the English alphabet. Then we will start to use English as it is spoken every day. Don't forget to practice. See you in video 8. Goodbye.